In this video, you are going to learn how to solve quadratic equation in one of the most easiest steps, which is factorization method. Here we have the leading coefficient to be 9. So we have 9x squared minus 15x plus 4 is 0. The first thing we do is just to multiply the leading coefficient and the last term to factorize first. So the leading coefficient is 9 and the last term is 4. The answer is what? 36. The duty now starts to think of two numbers that if you multiply them together, you get 36. But if you add those two numbers you multiply together, you get the middle term minus 15. You can see that if we multiply minus 12 and minus 3, we are getting it to be 36. And if you add minus 3 to minus 12, you are also getting minus 15. And this factor satisfies what we need. We'll now use this factor to expand the middle term. So we have it as 9x squared minus, choose one factor, 12x minus the second factor, 3x plus 4 equal to 0. Then the next thing we do is just to pair two terms. So I have to pair the first term and also pair the second term. Okay, now I can factorize. What is common between 9x squared and minus 12x? What is common is 3x. If you factor for this one, you are also left with 3x. If you factor 3x from minus 12, you are getting what? Minus 4. Then we factorize this one. We can actually factor a negative 1. If you factor minus 1, because we want it to be like this bracket, you can see we are having 3x minus 4 equal to 0. So since these two brackets are the same, we'll now pick it as one of the factorized brackets. Then we'll multiply it to these two terms, which is 3x minus 1 equal to 0. Since two things multiplies to give us 0, one of them is 0 or both of them are zeros. So we have it that 3x minus 4 is equals to 0, or 3x minus 1 is equals to 0. If 3x minus 4 is 0, meaning that 3x is equal to 4 when we add 4 to both sides, we'll divide through by 3 and divide through by 3. If I divide through by 3, you see that x is equals to 4 over 3. For this one, 3x is equal to 1 when we add 1 to both sides. Divide through by 3, divide through by 3. If I divide by 3, x is equals to 1 over 3. So the factors are 4 over 3 and 1 over 3. If you found this video interesting, please like, comment, and share for more content like this. Bye-bye.